everyone. Luke Anderson with the Anderson team with Beach and Forest Realty, and I'm excited to be joined by the amazing Jenny King with US Mortgage.
All right, glad to be here.
So Jenny, I wanted to bring you in. I wanted you to be able to help folks answer a couple of questions because a lot of times we're talking about qualifying income and how they qualify for a mortgage. Okay. So would you talk me through the types of income that qualify?
Yeah, absolutely. So the first and most important thing is you always want to clarify what kind of loan it is that you're looking for, because that's really key, because there are some loans, in fact, out there that don't require income at all, but those are generally for investment properties.
Okay.
So if you're looking for a primary home or something that you're going to live in, or a standard secondary vacation home, we're going to be looking for something that's on paper. So with the IRS, trackable, traceable, meaning that you're going to have W-2s, you're going to have pay stubs that are going to be able to reflect your income. And you also have the opportunity to go self-employed, which means that you have 1099s, but those are going to require not only those pay stubs if you have them, but also tax returns for the last 2 years to show that you've had a history of that income.
So what if I got a big raise a month ago?
Yeah. So as long as you can show, if you're hourly and you got a really big raise, as long as we can show consistent hours with that raise over a period of different pay stubs, and every program is different, every requirement is different, but generally they're looking that they can consistently show that you make that amount, and we can use that, absolutely.
What if I'm going to get a big bonus this fall?
Bonuses are always tricky. Everyone wants to use them, and we wish more than anything that we could. But the reality is, unless you have a history of receiving bonuses, it's unlikely that we can use it.
Got it. Got it. I really appreciate it. This is fantastic information. Tell me real quick about timelines for incomes.
Yeah, so generally you want to be looking at a full 2-year history. That doesn't mean that you have to be in the same job for 2 years, but it does mean that we have to have a trackable, traceable history for at least a period of 2 years. And if you have a second job that's a part-time gig, great, you're going to have to have been there generally a minimum of 6 months.
So guys, I can speak from experience. Jenny has served so many of my clients at a high level of figuring out how to make it work, what program they qualify for, the incomes that they're bringing. If you need some help and you have any questions, please reach out to Jenny by...
Yeah, you can get me at jenny.king@usmortgage.com.
And for more information about the Anderson team, visit lukeiamyourrealtor.com.
Yeah, thanks guys.
Thanks everyone.